1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS for sale in Clarksdale, Mississippi. 38614. Look out, muscle car enthusiasts. This mid-sized muscle car is a true classic beauty that is ready to turn heads. It was upgraded to an SS and restored with nothing but the best quality equipment. It features the iconic styling that the Chevelle moniker is known for, and it comes dressed to impress with its yellow appearance. This car underwent a frame-off restoration that was meticulously done inside and out. This beautiful beast is equipped with a 8-cylinder turbo LS1 vet engine that is mated with automatic transmission for maximum driving performance. The Chevelle was produced for 3 generations and quickly became one of Chevrolet's most successful nameplates. This 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is much more than meets the eye because it comes with options and features that are essential to anyone who enjoys living life in the fast lane. Highlights of these fun advantages include LS1 Corvette motor professionally built by RPM Motorsports, Lemon Ice PPG paint, Ghost Flames Pearl Bus clear coat, ultra leather tan interior, Dakota digital gauges, Alpine sound system, keyless remote, and so much more. This 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS has been very well maintained, and with only 1,700 miles you can rest assured that this handsome devil is eager to supply the adrenaline rush you seek. The sharp and straight car is investment quality and ready for the shows. The Chevelle is a must-see drive car to truly appreciate its overall value. In fact, come see her for yourself. You will agree that you cannot find another 1972 Chevy Chevelle SS in this condition for the asking price. Call today for more information on how you can experience this car's rich heritage and legacy.